This is Mark from the defunct Full Speed RC Hobbies. Revived this old Doroplane with a OS40 FP that back in like 1989 hit a loading dock head on. Thought everything was fine with the old girl, but she was leaning out. Thought it was, you know, the usual fuel lines, old fuel tank, but flew it today about 8 flights. Really good. It was really good flights, but the motor got worse and worse with leaning out. So I'm going to take it apart. But I thought I was just going to do a rebuild, get out the gunk and shit. But when I had it off the mount, I could see fuel trails. But when it was on and running, I thought she was leaking from the front bushing because it had a slightly bent crank, and I thought it was egging this out. But I found that turning it over, I had sprayed WD on it and stuff. She was blowing bubbles right out of the ear here, the mounting plate that's molded, part of the case. So from back in the day when she hit the loading dock, it cracked this ear because there's damage right here to that, and there's a crack here in this webbing, but that was doing nothing. So I'm gonna have to get a gasket. This little FP really has some power for a 40. This Doroplane, this is the original trainer size, and it's like a tank. Gasket. I wasn't too nice with the gasket. It's stuck on both sides. Looks pretty good in there. I know the lighting in here stinks, but just wanted to check in the back first. Let's see if I can pause this video. How do you think you'd be different today if you were still alive, man? Yeah, I'm not good with these electronics.